Anytime now, race number 4. And the race on. Green Garnet jumps quick out of the gate, followed by Shetex, win by Doral. Running in third, Danori inside is Amazing Party. And moving up in fourth is Magic in the Air. And inside the last 800, the outstanding favorite, Green Garnet, by about 2 lengths, followed by Amazing Party by Doral. And on the outside, Sheltex, win Magic in the Air. And racing in fifth, Real Crispy. And as they race the last 500, Green Garnet by a length and up. Amazing Party, Danori inside, Sheltex, win Magic in the Air. Just Connection as they race the final corner. Green Garnet from the outside, and Sheltex, win by Doral is Amazing Party, Magic in the Air, Just Connection, and on the outside, Real Spicy. And ring the finish line, Green Garnet by about 3 lengths. And finally, Green Garnet from the trainership of Chairman Oliver Franco, second.